This is George. This video we are going to learn how you can reset or unlock your BIOS password. Now this is what you should do. When you power on your computer, you press the F2 button continuously. Now you continuously press F2 on your machine to enter into the BIOS setting. Now when you reach into the BIOS settings, you can see that there is a feature here to unlock. Now if you forgot your BIOS password, this video is for you. How can you unlock your BIOS password? Click unlock, and now you can take note that there is that system number. Copy that system number very well. You have to copy the system number very well, and it is case sensitive. What I mean that lowercase should be lowercase and uppercase should be uppercase. When you are done, go to this website. When you go to this website, you type in these words. You type in BIOS. BIOS space PWDORG, and then you search. When you search, the first option they bring, this one here is where you go, and then you enter your system number. They call it a code here, what is the system number? I already entered mine. It is that one. Enter yours, the one your computer is showing you. Enter it here, and then you tap get password. Now they will bring to, maybe, I don't know, they might bring more than 2 options, but they brought for me these 2 options. The first one, which has TTTRP, failed to work, but the second one, CIL, this one worked for me. But on some other machines, after typing in this password, don't just press enter, you press Ctrl enter. When you press Ctrl enter, it will work, and then you'll be able to reset your password. This is very good because once you know your BIOS password, you can change your boot sequence and be able to install another operating system. Maybe you'll be using Windows and you want to use Linux, maybe you want to use Mac OS, you'll be able to do this because you've known your BIOS password. Once you use this one, make sure you reset your BIOS password and put in a new password. If you don't know how to do that, you can comment in the comment section of this video. And in the description of this video, I'm going to put for you the link where you can tap and direct you go to this website, such that you don't waste a lot of time. Will be able to go to this website and then key in your number, your system number, and then you can get to know the password of your BIOS. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. You can also comment about anything you want me to talk about, and I'll do it. Thank you very much, and I'm out for now.